Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail without phone number. So whenever you try to create a Gmail, it shows you that you need a phone number to create a Gmail. But even if you give a phone number, it shows you that this number has been used for too many times. So there's a solution. You can create a phone number without Gmail in Android phone. So if you're an iPhone user, this will not work for you. So if you're an Android user, you have to use Play Store and Google. If you have a Google search bar app or the Play Store app, both will work for you. So I'm just going to the Google application, and in the right corner you will have the Gmail that you're signed in. Tap on the Gmail account, and then you just have to tap on this right corner with the arrow menu. You can see there's an expand option. Tap on this, and this will show you all the Gmail that you have created. So with these tricks, I've created a few Gmail, as you can see. So if you go down, you will find the option of add another account. So you just have to create a Gmail with this method. Tap on add another account, then tap on Google. And then if you have a pattern lock or finger lock, just do it. And then you just have to create account. Tap on create account. For my personal use, give a name. So I'm just going to give a name random and click next. Now you have to fill up your birthday. Just fill up this. Make sure to make it 18 plus. Then tap next. Then you just have to give a username. I'm just going to put random. Tap next. And if it says that their username is taken, then I'm going to choose the available one. Tap next. Then you just have to create a password here. And after creating a password, you just need to tap next. Now, as you can see, my Gmail account has been created with this username and without giving a phone number. Now, if I just tap next, now it will tell me to accept the license and agreement. Tap on I agree. And it will start to sync with my Google services. So after going back, you just have to refresh it sometimes and tap on your Gmail account again. And if I just tap on this arrow button again, and if I go down, as you can see, here's the Gmail that I have created right now. So if I just tap on it, and now I'm signed in with this Gmail account that I have just created right in front of you. So that's it, guys. This is how you create a Gmail account without phone number using an Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.